So I got the tri-fold mattress from Sweetcrispy, and I've been using this for about a week now. I'm just gonna go over some of my favorite features of it. First is gonna be how fast it expands. So within 24 hours, this thing was fully expanded, so you don't have to worry about waiting multiple days. You can pretty much use it right out of the package, but do give it about 24 hours for it to fully expand. Another thing I love about it, and I haven't had to wash it yet, but I'll show you here. Let me find a zipper so I can show you what that looks like. So on the corner of it, they're going to have zippers all the way through, so if you ever do need to wash it, you can easily unzip it, wash the cover for you, so down the road you can keep this thing clean. Another great thing too is on the back, you can have rubber beads all the way through, so it's like a rubber surface on there. So if you do have it on a hardwood floor, like I do right now, maybe you're doing yoga on it, maybe you're doing whatever on it, it's not going to slide around, it's going to stay in place for you, which is super, super nice. But overall, this is like a great little guest bed if your kids have friends over, maybe throw it down on the ground for them. They're going to have a comfortable night's sleep. And I'm about 6 feet tall, and even as an adult, 6 feet tall, I can spread out fully on it and be comfortable to sleep. Even on a hardwood floor, there is enough foam on here to get a nice night's sleep. But overall, super happy with this. You could use it for a bunch of different things, game on it, do whatever you want on it. So like I said, super happy with this. Here, 2 thumbs up.